Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Swanky Productions channel. I'm Ben, and I put a video like this out at least once a week, so if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This is my 2022 Gen 3 KLR 650. I've also got a Tenere 700. I guess the Tenere you'd say is a mid-weight adventure bike. This is more of a heavy dual sport, kind of dressed up like an adventure bike, but all of this stuff really should apply to anything that would kind of fall into either of those categories. Now before this bike, before the Tenere 700, I had a Gen 2 KLR 650 and a DRZ 400. The DRZ, I could kind of throw my leg over the back, but the KLR especially, it makes it a little bit difficult with the high back to get your leg over. Now without a bag on, you can kind of do it. You end up sort of doing like a run and jump type situation. What my dad likes to do is try to lift his leg up and get it over. And don't get me wrong, you can do that, but even at, 32 years old, that's not something I want to do 6 times a day. You also don't really want to do this getting off too many times. I think I've already pulled a muscle in my leg. In my opinion anyway, the easiest way to get on one of these bikes is to find somewhat level ground. Doesn't have to be perfect, but stick your left foot up on the left foot peg, kind of lean into the bike, and try to center your weight between where the tires are and where the kickstand is, so you're not wrenching it too far one way or the other, possibly snapping the kickstand off or flipping it over that way, and just kind of maintaining that neutral position, swinging your leg over and on the back, and sitting down. Getting back off, same process, in reverse. So easy, no pulled muscles. Obviously you want to be careful that you're not going to tip the bike over that way or this way, but as long as you're on somewhat level ground, it really should be no problem. If you do end up in a situation like I was in not 10 minutes ago, and the bike ends up like that, the first thing that everybody wants to do to protect their ego is to race up to it and yank up on it. Not the right way to do it. Obviously, you don't want it on its side for a long time. People will get upset if you leave a bike on its side, if you take some pictures. What was I saying now? Oh yeah, people get mad if you leave the bike on its side for too long. So the easiest thing to do here is going to be to find a good grab point on the back side and a good grab point on the front. Now you might have to move your bars into this position. You definitely don't want this the other way. That's not going to work. You don't want to be pulling up on the tank or the bodywork. But basically you want to get your back up against the bike and lift with your legs, not your back. And just slowly tilt it up. Walk it up with your butt up against the back of it. And kind of rest the bike on yourself. Obviously don't let it go over that way. Spin yourself around. Get the bike straightened out, and you're ready to go. Now the final thing is something that I still like to ignore. While heavy dual sports and adventure bikes are meant to go off-road, they're really only designed and set up from the factory to do more or less what you're looking at here. Now, if you guys watch some of my other videos, you know that I take these bikes through way more than anything that I think the factory intends them to be. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Holy crap! Oh yeah. Oh my god, man. Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that hurt. Holy shit, that's a big one. Whoa! Oh, man. Oh, shit. the thing is that with a few crash bars added, with possibly either some suspension adjustment or maybe some revalving, these things can do a heck of a lot more than I think a lot of people give them credit for. But you should still be careful, especially if you're a beginner. I would say start with a light bike rather than something like this. If you're just learning off-road skills, that's what I did. I bought my Gen 2, and then later on, while I still had the Gen 2, I purchased an 87 Honda XL 250R, 86, I don't remember, and learned some dirt skills on that, and then moved on to the Tenere 700, and now another Gen 3 KLR 650. So just all is going to kind of depend what you're looking to get out of the bike and what you're looking to do with it. But these things definitely can do a heck of a lot off-road. You just have to have the right expectations and realize that it's not going to handle like a two-stroke dirt bike or even a proper enduro. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was and you would like to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the like button, leave me a comment down below. I put a video out at least once a week, and I would love to have you watching. Make sure you get out, enjoy this beautiful world any chance you get. Other than that, guys, take care, stay safe, stay swanky, and if you can't get out and enjoy it right now, here's some more videos to check out in the meantime. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.